Hello guys, welcome to SQL College of Technology. I am Maxwell. This is part 5 of our C# programming with database. In our previous lecture, we learned how to insert record into the database using our C# application. Today, we will learn how to update record in a database using a C# application. Okay, so in our previous section, we gave all components here, including text boxes and this data grid view, an ID or variable names. And then we had this piece of code over here inserting a record to a database for us. Today, we're working on the update. After inserting the record to the database, how do we update? How do we update? That's what we are going to do for today. To update the record in the database, just as we did for the save, you double click on the update record. So let's double click on it. Okay, so over here, if you are updating from a C# application to the database, these are the two important variables you need. First, you need SQL Connection, okay, which contains your connection string. Then you also need your SQL command, which contains your query to perform transaction. Okay, so let's start. SQL connection, what do? You say SQL connection con is equal to new SQL connection, and then we have our connection string to be data source. We said the data source is the name of the host. Okay, and here it's local host. And then we have database, the name of the database over here. What's the name of our database? The name of our database is C# tutorial. Okay, so it's equal to C# tutorial. Then we have our integrated security to be true. Then we open connection, so con.open. And next thing we're going to do is what? Our command. Okay, it's simple, right? So we say SQL command cmd is equal to new SQL command into brackets. We are to write an update query. So with this one too, if you're not familiar with writing query yourself, you open your database, then you right click on your employee table we created, you go straight to script table as we have update, then you click on new query editor window. The system will write the query for you. This is how you write an update query. Okay, so let me copy the first line and then paste it here. So let's set them up. So we have update employee, which is your table name, set ID equals. Okay, so over here we are going to do it ourselves by saying single quote, double quote, and then plus. We can also make it this way. Since the ID is our primary key, we won't be editing our ID. So let's start from first name. So set first name. So over here, we'll copy first name equals single quote, double quote, plus. You have txt fn dot test, comma. After first name, what do we have? We have last name, right? Copy last name. Last name equals single quote, double quote, plus plus. Then in here we type txt ln dot test. Move out, comma. What do we have next? We have email. So we say email equals single quote, double quote, plus plus txt email dot test, comma. To that we have gender, copy, paste. Gender is equal to single quote, double quote, plus plus txt gender dot test. Move out, comma. What do we have here? Salary. The same thing. Paste here. Salary equals single quote, double quote, plus plus txt salary dot test. Move out. Then finally we have high date. So high date equals single quote, double quote, plus plus dt high date dot value. Okay. Then here we say where id equals single quote, double quote, plus plus id dot test, txt id dot test. Then every command moves with the connection. So after typing this query, okay, after typing this query, comma, we bring our con here. Okay, add comma con. Okay, typing all these, you add comma con to it. All right, the next thing we're going to do now is we say cmd dot execute non-query, and then we display a message box dot show. Into bracket we say record updated successfully, followed by the message title and the message box buttons dot ok, message box icons dot information. Let me terminate. Okay, so that's all for the update. Now let's try it and see how it's be working. And I click on start. And then when I click on start, let me log in with my credential. So dummy login. Okay, so over here what we have in our database, right click, edit top 200 rows. We have first record here to be Maxwell. We want to update Maxwell Eggy here, so his ID is 1001. So start by saying 1001 Maxwell Eggy. I'm changing Maxwell Eggy to Maxwell Francis. So we say Francis at yahoo.com. Gender male, salary 100. You see the information here has changed. When I click on update, record updated successfully. Okay, how do we know it has been updated successfully? When I right click on this guy, edit top 200 rows. Let me close this one here, close that one too. Right click, edit top 200 rows, and you have Maxwell Francis. Information has been changed now. Okay, so that is how we update a record in C#. That is how we update a record in C Sharp. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Keep practicing. No, it's easy and simple. Keep practicing, keep practicing. It's not difficult. We'll see you in the next lecture where we're talking about how to delete in the next section. Thank you. Stay tuned.